Welcome back, my dear student. In this new section that I decided to create for this course, we are going to be learning how to create websites from scratch. So all the knowledge that I gave you in the previous lectures are going to be applied here and then some. So we're going to be learning some extra things that we didn't learn before in the previous lectures. All right. So we are going to be building this from scratch. We're going to give it some styles. And at the end of this section, we're going to take this to the online community so everybody in the world can see our website. I'm going to show you how to launch this using a real domain and a real hosting company. All right. And one of the best things about this is that I'm going to show you how to build a contact form so people can go and type in their message, click send, and that will go to your email. And that is done using PHP. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do a little PHP on this course as well. It's going to be pretty awesome. You're going to learn a lot of cool stuff, and I promise you it's going to be very simple. So anyway, if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach. Let's get it going, and I see you in the next lectures.